Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to add or subtract in Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets file that you need. First, we will show you how to add in Google Sheets. You will need to use the following formula. Equals number plus number, and press Enter. This is the easiest way to add in Google Sheets. Now, we will show you how to subtract in Google Sheets. You will need to use another formula for this. Type equals number minus number and press Enter. You will see the results. If you want to add the multiple numbers, you'll need to use slightly different formula. Type equals cell number plus cell number and press Enter to see the results. Same counts if you want to subtract. The formula will be slightly different. Equals cell number minus cell number and press Enter to see the results. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!